Bạn uống viên nang mỗi ngày, nhưng bạn có biết chúng được làm từ gì không? Bên trong nhà máy này, xương động vật được biến thành viên nang dược phẩm. Bạn sắp thấy toàn bộ quy trình từng bước một từ đầu đến cuối. Hãy xem đến cuối vì có một công đoạn mà hầu hết mọi người không ngờ tới.
Watch the edges, keep back. All right, keep it coming.
Okay, batch 7 is ready for extraction. Log the weight and confirm the schedule for vessel 3.
Confirmed. Logging now. Check the viscosity on the secondary line.
Temperature is stable, increasing the agitator speed slightly.
Gasket looks good. Final torque confirmed.
Verified. I'm signing off on the isolation certificate now.
We are reaching the peak extraction point now. Keep a close eye on the temperature. We are reaching the peak extraction point now. Keep a close eye on the temperature.
Flow rate is stable at 50 liters per minute. Noted. Batch 7 temperature is currently 80 degrees Celsius. After initial collection, the gelatin extract is now directed toward primary filtration. The primary filtered gelatin extract is now directed towards secondary fine filtration equipment designed to remove even finer particle echorophins. The gelatin liquid emerging from the secondary fine filter is noticeably more transparent and clearer than the primary filter.
The blue meter measures the force required to depress the gel surface by a standard distance.
The approved sterilized gelatin concentrate is transferred into pharmaceutical-grade gelatin holding tanks.
After all quality testing is complete and results confirm the sterilized gelatin concentrate meets all pharmaceutical
Colored gelatin is transferred from formulation tanks to the capsule forming machinery through insulated heated piping systems, maintained.
The coated pin array moves into a large industrial drying tunnel where carefully controlled temperature, humidity, and air circulation are maintained. The pin conveyor advances, bringing the entire array of dipping pins downward into a large bath of liquid-colored gelatin at controlled speed and depth.
After withdrawal from the gelatin bath, the pin carousel or conveyor
The coated pin array moves into a large industrial drying tunnel where carefully controlled temperature, humidity, and air circulation are maintained. After drying is complete, the gelatin coating on each pin has solidified into a firm capsule half shell that retains the shape imparted by the dipping process.
At the end of the drying tunnel, the pin array is brought into a mechanical stripping system, where precise mechanical mechanisms strip the dried capsule half shells from their mold pins.
Capsules exiting the polishing drum show noticeably smoother, more uniform, more professional pharmaceutical-grade surface finish with enhanced gloss.
The current yield is slightly below target here.
I see it. Let's adjust the feeder speed by 5%.
Quality-verified empty capsules from the approved batch are being loaded in bulk into the intake hopper of the capsule filling machine using controlled feeding systems.
The automated auger mechanism precisely meters the exact quantity of powder. This fill accuracy is critical.
Watch the clearance on the left.
Got it. Is this the last one for this truck?
One more after this.